Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. A real quick one. I was working with the Taylor Toolworks 5.5, the Taytools 5.5, and enjoying it immensely when the delivery truck showed up and they had a package for me, and it was from Taylor Toolworks. They sent me something, and it is something. And you need to at least go check it out. I'll leave a link down below, Taylor Toolworks. So they saw my video of the big lapping plate, the disc, remember I did in the Wayback Time Machine about a month or so ago. And I was saying this is a game changer because I'll be able to hone my plane blades and chisel blades on there. They said, Walter, we have something for you. Do you have a drill press? I said, yes, I have a drill press. It's behind the camera. We have to move it. Well, they have this sharpening kit that uses a drill press. It doesn't have to be a fancy drill press. It just has to be a drill press where you get 2 mandrels, 2 discs, 2 acrylic discs. You get a leather strop. You get polishing compound. And you get an assortment of abrasives, 3M Cubitron, as well as a glass flat plate and more superfine discs that go on the glass plate. So what is this, you say, Walter? Let me show you. And this is why I'm sort of excited about this, because it's sort of what I wanted to do to that honing machine. They have this jig or base, and you take your plane blade, bevel side up, you place it on the index, right? Almost like as if it was going on the frog. And this gets mounted on your drill press table while this is up in, okay? I don't know if you can see from here. So you take your plane blade, and this is spinning, okay? And you slide your blade up into the spinning disc with abrasive on it. Pretty ingenuing. This allows us the opportunity to have a straight, perfectly ground, 25-degree bevel on chisels and plane blades. And you then take it to the strop, which will be on the top, and you polish on the strop, turn it over, deburr, polish on the strop, deburr. It's going to be interesting to set up. It's going to take me a little while. But head over to Taylor Toolworks. Oh, by the way, any of you collect stickers? You want a sticker? They sent me a bunch of stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anybody want a sticker? Contact me. Taylor Toolworks. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Think about this. Taylor Toolworks has a lot of other tools too. It's not just these hand planes and this sharpening kit. They have lots of stuff. Head over there. Walter out.